Guys, it's my show, okay? Behave yourself. It's my show. Wait, Oscar, I'm going to ask you, the two of you, to close your eyes. Okay, so Oscar, close your eyes, and Shaya, please put the blindfold on. It's okay, you look pretty well. No, it's the other way. Good. Oscar and Shaya, just close your eyes, for heaven's sake. Yes, no, that's for the nose. And because I'm going to... Shaya, very nice. I'm going to create a special psychic connection between Oscar and Shaya. Oscar, please shake hands with Shaya. I don't take your watch. Wait, close your eyes. Oscar, behave yourself. Wait. Shake hands with Shaya. Good. Now, shh. Listen. I'm going to clap my hands. And when I clap my hands, I want the two of you to close your eyes behind the blindfold. Okay? Shh. If you felt that I touched you, please raise your right hand. With the fingers, show the numbers of times that I touched you. Show how many times I touched you. And can you point to the place that I touched you on. Point to the place that I touched you on. Okay, put the hand back in position. Okay, release the hand. Because I'm going to repeat the question. If you felt that I touched you, please raise your right hand. Show the numbers of times that I touched you twice. And point to the place that I touched you. Very good, very good. Do not look, do not look. If you felt that I touched you again, please raise your left hand. Point to the place that I touched you. Good. And show the numbers of times that I touched you. Good. Do not look. If you felt that I touched you for the last time, please raise your right hand. Point to the place that I touched you on.
Lady.
Oscar, point to the place that I touched you on. No.
Lady.
The last time.
Later.
Not on your nose.
Thank you.
And please take off the blind.
God.
Oscar, take it off.
Thank you.
Oscar? Where exactly? Well.
One.
Where? Yes.
My nose.
Your nose? Yes. And on your shoulder. And where exactly, Shaya?
Absolutely the same place. My shoulder and my knee and my nose.
It's impossible, because you know why? Because every time I only touched one of you, and I haven't touched the other.
Really?
Yeah.
So I can't see.
But that's the first phase. The second phase is even more amazing. Oscar, please stand up. And I'm turning your chair like that so you cannot see Shaya. Shaya, please stand up. And I'm turning the chair so you cannot see Oscar. And please sit. Because